Good afternoon. George Cavaligos for Naked Trader. A lot of stuff to talk about today, boy. Market gapped higher yesterday on the idea of some budget deficit cuts. Well, we never really saw any follow through, unfortunately, on that trade. I thought we would be able to get some higher prices out of that move, and the market just failed miserably. I think all that move did was take some shorts out of the market, maybe even force some guys long the market, because since the pop yesterday afternoon, the market slowly was drifting lower. Found some support around 120.10 early in the day. Thought we could get a little bit of a bounce on the 5-year auction results. The market tried to rally. It was a pretty good auction. We never really got much upside going there. And then again, when we had the Fed minutes come out, the market tried to rally. We had a better rally that time. We saw a nice pop there. But as my good friend Danny Riley, who hopefully we'll be seeing on the webcast here over the next couple weeks, said, you're supposed to fade the Fed's the initial move after the Fed, and it reminded me of that. And I want to say thanks for that. And Jack's commentary this morning, looking to sell the red March up against 11.12, looking to sell the Dece up against the 31 to 33 area. All these, bright people that I respect continue to believe that the market's in a sort of bearish consolidation pattern, and hopefully some people were able to sell that rally. Market's closing on its lows here. Inside day in the 10-year projects at a minimum a test of yesterday's lows at 120.03 plus. I actually think there's a chance we could see the last week's lows at 119.22, the late last week's lows at 119.22 in the 10-year. Small short here, looking maybe to pick up some steam. The volume was decent today. A little disappointed we didn't even see lower prices, but again, we're trading the Fed's QE purchases. We do see a QE again tomorrow, but it's very short term. I think it's 2012 to 2013 maturities, and it's only 4 to 6 billion. That's definitely on the lower end of the amount of purchases these days. I think that'll keep the curve steepening. We also have a 7-year auction tomorrow, which is kind of historically not a very attractive auction for the markets here. We'll see. I think you want to sell rallies here. I'm hoping for a bit of a bounce overnight. We're trading 120.08 plus right now. If we can get back up to like this 120.15 to 17 area where we saw a lot of volume go through the market this morning and this afternoon, I'd like to take a shot and put on some shorts there against that level. That'd be a nice trade. Check the emails. We'll see what open interest and volume looks like. Incomplete picture here. Hopefully, we should see volume increasing like we have today, and we should see open interest increasing too. Have a great night. We'll see you tomorrow morning.